Hi guys, welcome back. We're on Unit 2, Week 2, Day 4. You're almost done with the week. We're going to start our lesson off today by practicing our sounds. Say it after me. Y, yellow, ya. E, ed, eh. M, man, mm. O, octopus, ah. W, wind, w. I, itch, it. R, rat, A, apple, ah. U, up, ah. T, top. All right, let's review our trick words. Remember the trick words we learned this week. We can't tap them out. We can't sound them out. We just have to learn how to know them when we look at them. We learned a couple this week, so let's practice them. The. Your turn. A. And. Is. Of. His. All right, today we have a word of the day. The word of the day we can tap out. So we're going to tap this word as soon as the word comes up. Here's our word. We're going to tap it out together. Here we go. Quit. Very good. Our word of the day is quit. What does it mean if you quit? If you quit, that means you stop. So maybe you decide to quit coloring. That means you stopped coloring. Or maybe you decide to quit playing soccer at recess. That means you just stopped playing soccer. Quit. Now, how do we mark up this word? I have a Q and a U in this tile. They're called buddy letters. My Q can't make the qu sound without the U. They're called buddy letters. Okay, you need to get your whiteboard or your piece of paper or something out to write on. I'm going to start by saying some sounds. I'm going to say the sound and you're going to write that sound down. I'll drag my tiles. First sound I want you to find is Find Write it down. What did you write down for the sound? You should have put down an R, and an R looks like this. All right, I'm moving this to the side. I want you to write down the sound. Write the letter that makes the sound. What did you write? I hope you wrote an H because an H says, as in H, hat. And move it to the side. Last sound, I want you to find the sound that says, write down the letter that says, very good. I hope you put X. X says like Xbox. All right, we're going to do some words this time. So now I need you to write down the letters that spell the word I say. We're going to start with the word not. Say that word. Not. Now tap that word. Here we go. Not. Write down the letter that says Write the letter that says ah. Write the letter that says very good. You should have wrote not. N-O-T. All right, erase. Our next word is going to be bus. Say that word, bus. Now let's tap it. The write. Get ready to write. I need you to write. Write down the letter that makes the sound the. Now write the letter that says and the letter that says okay, I'm going to drag my tiles down. Let's see if your letters match the letters I pick. For B, I'm going to drag a B down. For I'm going to drag an U. For I'm going to drag my S down. Did you have these letters? B, U, S? B, U, S spells bus. Okay, I'm going to drag them over really quick. Okay, one more word. Let's do cup. Say that word. Cup. Now tap it. Cup. Okay, I want you to write now. Write the letter that says cup. Write the letter that says Write the letter that says P. Let's see if your letters match mine. For K, I could have put two sounds. I could have put a C. I could have put a K. But for cup, I'm going to put a C. I found my U. And P, I found P. Did you have those letters? C-U-P spells cup. Awesome job. If you still have all of that on your whiteboard or your piece of paper, please feel free to take a picture and put it on Seesaw. Have a good day.